Water is flowing through a tube, a horizontal pipe of diameters 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter connected together in series. If speed of water in the narrow pipe is 5 meter per second and pressure is 2 into 10 raised to 4 Pascal, the speed of water in the wider pipe is. So we can just consider that two tubes of different cross-sectional areas are connected in series. So the volume flow rate will be same. So the volume of liquid flowing through the tube in the first situation and volume of liquid flowing through this tube in the second situation will be same, because they are connected in series. In series combination, same amount of liquid is going to flow, or dV by dt will be same. So here it is. Here we can take it as the area of cross sections are given, the diameters are given. The horizontal pipe of diameter, first one we can take it as of diameter 2 centimeter, second one of diameter that is 5 centimeter, and the speed of water in the narrow pipe is, here the speed is given as nothing but 5 meter per second, and RM is to find out the value speed of water in the wider pipe, or where the area of cross section or diameter is more. Let's say there it is taken as nothing but V1. So according to continuity equation, we can just write here, for applying continuity equation, no need to observe pressure. So we can write A1 V1 is equal to nothing but A2 V2. And instead of area, we can write it as area is equal to nothing but pi into r square, and r is equal to d by 2. So we can write this as pi d by 2 the whole square, or we can write that is equal to pi into d square divided by 4. So this A1 we can take it as nothing but pi d square divided by 4 into V1 is equal to, we can take it as A2 which will be equal to pi into we can take it as d2 square divided by 4 into velocity, let's say that is equal to V2. So we can observe that this pi by 4 and this pi by 4 get cancelled. So the value of d1 square, we can take it as according to question it is given that 5. So 5 square we can take it as 25 into velocity V1 is equal to d2 is given that 2. So 2 square we can take it as 4 into V2. So we can write this is 25 into the value of V1 is RM is to find out the value for that, and 4 into V2 is nothing but 5. So you can write the value of V1 is equal to 4 into 5 divided by 25, or you can write 4 divided by 5, or you can write 0.8.